Hey y'all, welcome to another walkthrough video on Reckonal.com. So the plan today is to walk you through this 3D archery stand we put together. It was also highlighted on the blog, so if you are interested in the plans, you can just find a link in the description. So it's fairly basic how we put it together. Here I am gathering up the base. It's all welded, and this base will hold both the uprights for the bag target as well as the base to hold the 3D target. In addition to the base, you have two longer uprights made of square tube. So here I am gathering those up. The square tube uprights slide over the smaller square tube that is welded to the frame. So here I am sliding on the left piece. And if you watch as I slide on the right piece, you can see a close-up of how it fits firmly against the welds. The piece that ties it all together is this horizontal piece. It's made of angle iron with a couple smaller pieces of square tube welded to each end of it. Using prusik knots, I used paracord to attach carabiners to hold each side of the bag target. And as you can see, it easily snaps into the uprights. At this point, the archery stand is put together. So you can start by gathering up your 3D target. And then you can grab your bag target. I really like this Morel bag target. It's definitely heavier duty than most. It does take a little bit of doing to attach it to the stand, but once you get one side hooked in, it's easier to snap the other side in. So here I am just snapping it in. With the target hung, you can turn to the 3D target. There are some screws that stick up that have an adjustable spread that you can slide your 3D target onto. So there you have it. Your bag target is ready for some practice. So normally, I don't shoot this close, but just want to give you a feel for the target. You can see it doesn't have a lot of sway, and if you're getting some sway, you can always put some paracord behind it to prevent it from going back and forth. So that's it. Hope you enjoy it, and let me know if there's any way you think I can improve it.